Bulldog Racing is offering a special edition Mini John Cooper Works custom tailored to your specific needs, but there is a catch. You have to be in Germany to get one. With this special model, the private racing team from Nurburgring is celebrating the best placement of a Mini in a 24-hour race in the brand's 64-year history. The engine and many features of the special model correspond to the racing car with starting number 126 from Bulldog Racing, but in favor of everyday suitability, the safety precautions prescribed by the long-distance regulations for the competition have been dispensed with. According to Bulldog Racing, second place and the first podium for Mini in the class for near-series vehicles was a great success. The moment we crossed the finish line, the idea was born to share this moment with our fans. Our biggest challenge in developing the Bulldog Racing Edition was to bring a car to the road that is as close to the race car as possible and still gets a regular street legal rating. Through the interaction of motorsport components, which can be combined and installed individually and according to customer requirements, the Bulldog Racing Edition creates a real racing feeling for the road. The core of this special edition is the KW V3 suspension, which can be adjusted in terms of compression and rebound damping, which, among other things, increases grip, improves steering behavior, and increases safety at the limit. The setup of the chassis is carried out individually for each vehicle by one of Bulldog Racing's professional drivers on the Nurburgring. The OZ Hyper GT light alloy wheels, 17-inch, together with the sports exhaust from Remus, give the special model an unobtrusive but unmistakable appearance. After the good experience with the racing tires, Pirelli takes over the tires for that special edition model with P0 performance in size 205/45/17. The Stern Performance Parts Club Sport set replaces the rear seat with a strut with a net and carpet. One of the visual highlights on the exterior is the large Bulldog Racing roof decoration film, which traditionally adorns every Bulldog Racing race car. In the interior, each Bulldog Racing Edition is equipped with an individual plaque that identifies the vehicle as a numbered example of the limited series and documents the day the suspension was adjusted on the Nurburgring, as well as various other unobtrusive equipment details. According to Bulldog Racing, each car is designed according to customer requirements and is therefore unique, meaning no two are configured the exact same way. Now, unfortunately, or should I say fortunately, we don't get this car in the US. Now, hear me out on this one. This car is a street legal version of a TCA car that is built by LAP Motorsports. So, why not let LAP Motorsports build one for you?